real information. There are still crises in Africa today that was the result of the strategy the Europeans used that time. There are some places they went to that time. If they get to a particular area and you are like the most supreme king or the chief and you are very powerful, and because some of those kings didn't allow them to come to their town, they allowed them to stay close to the ship, and they begged, it's okay, we won't come to your town, but let us just stay here near our ship. While staying around their ship, they begin to study the environment, and they say they are doing academic research, anthropology, archaeology, etc. They are using those researches to learn more about the people and to make friendship with some of those other tribes, and they will look for a lesser tribe who will befriend them, and they go back to England, come with ammunitions, and they have an ally on ground. So they will ally with that particular tribe to fight the paramount tribe in that area. Once they defeat the paramount tribe, they elevate that inferior or lesser tribe to achieve whatever they want. That was what they did, and that crisis is still on in West Africa even today.